Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's a little bit different. We're hiking and Smeagol is not here today. But today we are going to doing I'm going to show you my best impressions of Smeagol, also known as Gollum. Gollum! Alright, so let me try some good impressions. Gollum! 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 You don't have any friends. That was Gollum, now time for Smeagol. Precious! Precious is mine! Yes! Alright guys, so that was it for the impressions. Leave a like if you like them. And now we're just going to be walking and I'll talk about some Lord of the Rings lore and things. This forest reminds me of the ones that the elves walked through and Arwen walked through. And I didn't tell you guys, but I'm actually going to start trying to be more like an elf or a hobbit. And shout out to some of my family members. Can't say their names. I can say their first name. Shout out to my family member Tim, because it's his birthday today. And so, leave a like for him. So guys, if it's your birthday, also leave a like and comment if it is. Do you guys remember that effect in the first movie where Frodo zooms into the trail and then out when he says get off the trail because the wraiths are coming? Comment yes if you did. I'm assuming you've watched all three of the movies if you